Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another haul from the Stamp and Scrapbooking Expo here that was held in Mesa, Arizona in September. And so the next vendor I purchased items from was Heartfelt Creations. I love Heartfelt Creations, but it is very time consuming, and there is a learning curve, and I'm slowly learning, very slowly, as I just started doing these flowers. But I'll show you what I got, and I'm excited to keep playing because I've seen just a couple videos, and it's like I didn't even think I could do those to the flowers. So anyway, but this is the stuff I got. I got this paper pad free because I spent a certain amount of money. I don't remember exactly what it was, but this is the paper pad I got. And I guess, I know they do have die cuts for this. That size flower. I didn't get that size one. I got this size, I believe. So I have these die cuts, I think. So that'll be nice. But it is double-sided paper. So that's the paper pad that I got, and like I said, I got that one free. I did purchase new pins and tops for my art glitter glue. I stand by this glue. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but you know, if you're looking for a good adhesive, dries clear, you're not gonna see the white, then this is your glue. So I got new tops for them because I don't know how I lose them. I just lose them. So I got those from there. I did get me this flower shaping tool. It comes with the felt and the tool itself, and it has 3 attachments. So the tool's right there. You just push it in, and then you just use it. And then the foam that you can use it on. I did make a few flowers. I will share those with you as well. But, okay, so as you can see, that tool, okay, so it was $19.99. So I got that. And then I bought the show special, which was, I don't remember what it was. I know it was like $120 after my discount and whatever the show special was. It was down to $120, so I got this for $120. I did pick the small wild rose, so I did get the stamp and the die. Here's the stamps and the dies, as well as I got the small peonies. And that's the layering that comes with, as well as the die. I also got the poinsettia and holly. So the die and the stamp set I got. And then I also got the flowering dogwood, so the stamp and the die. And so I did play with just one of them, the small wild rose. And these are the flowers that I ended up making. So I just stamped on, what did I use? I think I used the Bristol Smooth. Yep. So I just stamped on the Bristol Smooth. I then die cut it out. And then I manipulated each petal with the flower shaping tool. So have any of you, and this is like just basic. They make them like, oh my gosh, the samples in that booth is crazy. But have you guys ever used any of their made any of their flowers with their dies or layering stamps? I'm interested to know. And then I also, do you know if there is a universal flower mold that you could use? I thought they said that in the booth, that there was a universal mold, but I couldn't find it on the website, so I'm just curious. If you know, leave it in the comment section below. I appreciate it. So yeah, this was my Heartfelt Creation haul. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas.